everybody, welcome back to our channel and today हम वो topic discuss करने वाले हैं जो बहुत ही important है for every immigrant that comes into the country, which is about finding the rental accommodation in Canada. So let's get started. To break down today's video, there are going to be multiple parts to it. The first part is what are the type of houses in Canada. The other one is how do you find this kind of accommodation when you come into the country. Our own story of finding the rental apartment, and then at the very end we're going to tell you हमारा house रह रहे हैं जिसमें उसका actual rent कितना है. So what are the types of houses in Canada? Broadly they're into two categories. एक होता है houses जिसके अंदर बहुत सारी categories है, like you know a detached house which is as this, so basically it doesn't share any wall with any other house, and the second one is a semi-detached house which looks something like this, and basically उनकी एक wall जो होती है, at least one wall is shared, and the next one is the townhouse which looks kind of like this. So these are the broad classifications of houses. उसके बाद आते हैं condominiums. Condominiums are also called condos, and these are basically like you know हमारे इंडिया में जैसे flats होते थे वो type के condos होते हैं. आज मैं आपको ये नहीं बताने वाली हूँ कि आपको क्या रेंट करना चाहिए. Obviously वो एक personal choice है depending on how many people you are coming with. What I'm going to tell you is what's available. So you know every house, a semi-detached one or a detached one, will have a basement. अब ये basement जो है वो भी specifically as a separate entity rent होती हैं. So that is something which is preferable for any newcomer that comes into this country. Now basements are also of two types. एक होता है walk-in basement और एक होता है walk-out basement. Now what are the differences? For a walk-in basement, basically your stairs are going to lead you down into the ground basically, and then that's going to be your place where you're going to stay. Separate to this, for a walkout basement जो होता है वो होता है कि आप सीधे you know from the ground level आप अंदर आ सकते हो into the basement. You don't have to kind of go down. So a certain part of your basement is kind of above the ground. अब इसके फायदे ये होते हैं कि you know you have enough sunlight, you don't feel more depressed because in a basement during the winters it can get really depressing. So उसकी वजह से उसके cost भी थोड़े high होते हैं. So जैसे एक walk-in basement will basically you know start from $1,100 to $1,200 per month in the GTA, and a walk-out basement would be a slightly more expensive option, जबकि तुम्हें आपको पे करना पड़ेगा around starting from $1,400 for a month in the GTA area. अब दूसरा जो option है वो है for the people who are coming in with a bigger family, you know. So what you can do is, except for the basement, you can rent the entire house. Now this kind of comes with 3 or 4 bedrooms, and that will be a good option for somebody who is coming in with a family. अब इसके price ranges for a detached house and for a semi-detached house अलग हैं. For a semi-detached house which will be a little smaller, उसका range start होगा somewhere around $2,200 for a month, and for a detached house which will obviously be bigger and more space will be somewhere around $2,500 per month. This is an approximate range जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. Obviously there is no max limit based on your location, you know, based on everything, you know, proximity to supermarkets, proximity to centers for shopping, these could go up. So that's about you know the price ranges. Now we have a few options which we explored जब हम यहाँ आए थे. So I'm going to recommend only the things that we have done so that you know you guys have a first-hand experience with all of that. पहली चीज़ है Facebook Marketplace. I think this is the most used place to find a rental accommodation. One, because you know you can directly connect to your landlord. I think that is the best thing because they are completely on a lookout for good people to live in their properties. So I think that's a good way. The second way is through Kijiji, Viewit, and all of these you know websites Now there are multiples, and we're going to leave these links in the description for you guys, so you can also go through those and check. You just have to put your area that you're interested in, put how many kilometers you're going, you are okay to relocate, and then you will find all the properties there. The other way to do this is through real estate agents. Now I would definitely recommend that if you are crunched on time, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि the real estate agents, this is their job, right? तो they're particularly very good at it. उनको पता होता है कौन सी properties अच्छी हैं और कौन सी rent के लिए available है. Secondly, they can negotiate on your behalf, so that's a very good thing. And the last important thing that you can get, and like an advantage that you have, is they don't charge you anything. तो वो जो चार्ज लेते हैं, जो कमीशन लेते हैं, वो होता है from the landlord, not from the tenant. So I think that is a good thing for you guys to know. So please rely on them and use their expertise, I would say. All right, so this leads us nicely into our house hunt journey in Canada. So this was about 4 to 5 months ago. तो हम जब ये country में आए तो हमें we also did our research like you guys are doing right now. So we did our research, and हमारे जो area था हमारे mind में वो बहुत ही fixed था, because Akshay had a job here, so we kind of knew that okay, this is the area we want to look at. So that's your first thing. Please look at a few areas, shortlist them. Secondly, what we started doing is shortlisting the type of place we want to live in. Now, हमारे लिए walkout basement is something we were okay with, and we were also okay with condominiums, which was condos. तो हमने ये दोनों properties shortlist करना शुरू कर दी. And we did do a few viewings, across the place that we wanted to live in. And what we figured out is that, we couldn't get any condos to rent. Now the reason for that is, जब आप यहाँ पे आते हो, आपका कोई credit history नहीं होता, यहाँ पे कोई credit score नहीं होता. Secondly, आपके पास pay stubs नहीं होते, right? Because you're just going to start, earning and everything. Now for most of the condos, the landlord expects you to have a credit history, and they also expect you to have pay stubs. So that was the reason we couldn't, get any condos. So we had to, actually negate that and just go for walkout basements. This is our house tour that we have done. I'm going to put the link here so you can check that out. So this house, basically, we found the listing on Viewit as well as Facebook Marketplace. तो हमने जब वहाँ देखा, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा घर. So we went for the viewing, and we were certain that okay, this is the place we want to live in. The next step is the rental agreement. Most of the basements that you rent out, you don't need much. जो आपको चाहिए होता है वो है first and last month का rent and 10 post-dated checks. That also is, like, it's not mandatory that you will need it for everything, but some landlords do ask for it. So those are the only things that you need. And yeah, so I think then we were set, and we got this apartment, and we got this place that we are staying in. So yeah, that's been our journey. Our rent, which I did mention on the house tour that we will discuss with you in the next video. So here it is. So for the rent, we pay around $1,550 a month. Now that includes our gas, and that includes our electricity and water. What it does not include, however, is our internet bill. So that is something we pay additional to that. That's about it. I think I've mentioned everything that I wanted to, but if you do have any comments or any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We will answer all of them for sure. And yeah, before you go, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We will keep uploading videos, for all you guys who are coming into the country. And please, if you like the video, do not forget to like, share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, bye.